Hi you guys, welcome back to Adventures with Jay. If you are new to this channel, welcome. This channel is everything DIY business and fashion. And today we will be doing an unboxing video of, I can't talk, but we're gonna be unboxing the new inventory I got in and getting ready to put everything on the site for the restock. If you don't know, I wholesale charms for others to start their business or add on to their business. So we got charms. So the charms come like this. So the charms usually come in 100 pieces in each bag. And how my vendor do it, they put 2 charms in each bag to help with size, to make it more room. So I usually have about 50 charms in each bag. And 50 charms in each bag is 100 charms because they double the charms in one bag. So my stuff usually come like this, so I know off the bat that this is about 100 charms. So I have about 25 packs of these, which is so 25 packs of these, 25 times 100, that's about 2,500 charms I will have available for my wholesale team to order. So what I usually do, I usually give myself a couple to the side for when I make my own personal orders for my customers. They wanted beads, so I got some beads. These beads are very popular. Like, my customers love these beads. They like a clear bead, like a clear matte. They one of my favorite beads to work with because you can do like bright colors, cute colors with them, and it stands out. I got more beads. These are all the beads. They asked for these trays. So some people call these bubble trays, or some people call these tray charms. So I got some tray charms. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I got some tray charms. These was requested. So I got about, how many tray charms I got? I got about 130 times 4, which is about 500 and something of tray charms. So I got about 500 tray charms. And this is my first time like increasing my order. Some more beads. Cause business is growing and I usually sell out in like 2 days. So this order is a little bit bigger than what I usually get because I'm trying to have enough for everybody to get some. So we're gonna see how it goes. So these more tray charms. These are cute. I like these for myself. Oh, these cute. Those are cute. More charms. I got a lot of colors this time around. I didn't really get like solid colors like silver, gold, rose gold. I got a lot of colors this time around. More tray charms. And these are very cute with the bangles. Like, I don't use these a lot because they like so big to go on the bands. But these are very popular for those who have, for those who make bangles. These are super cute on bangles, super cute. So these are very popular for people who do the bangles. Like, they be super cute. And then I got some hairpins I thought was super cute. I can't wait to wear these. I can't wait to wear these. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. And they big. Can't wait to wear those. More colors. So this is what I mean by like how the pack, so like when people be asking me like, oh, can I only get this charm, or oh, can I only get this design? Like, I get them mixed. So I don't be trying to be mean, sis, but like I get them mixed. So if I get them mixed, I literally have to like pick through each bag to see the style that you're looking for, which will make my job hard. I'm a big believer in work smart, not hard. So I'm just gonna get all these out because I have about 25 bags. But I'm excited about these tray charms because the wholesale team asked about these a lot. So, ooh, this one is cute. Look at this one, y'all. This one cute as hell. Can y'all see it? That is so cute. So yeah, all these come assorted and mixed already. So now y'all see what I mean. That I don't do particular charms because it's hard. But I'm steady, still going. And then I got some of these, which is just the trays. So I got just the trays to make my own charms. So like I can pick up my own designs that's inside of it. So that's what I plan on doing. So I plan on making like my own stuff, my own designs, my own stuff that go inside the trays. So that's why I just got trays. And then you got these tray charms without the rhinestones. So these the ones without the rhinestones. And then these the ones with the rhinestones. Which one you like the most? The ones with rhinestones or without the rhinestones? Comment and let me know which one you prefer. I don't know, I'm torn between the two. I like the rhinestones because they give you like a rich luxury look. But then I like the plain ones too because they more smaller and if you want more of a casual look. So it's hard to choose. But I'll probably pick the rhinestone ones because they stand out more. I got some keys. And let me show y'all again about what I mean by it's assorted and mixed. You see how it's all mixed up in there? So that's what I mean. More. So I'm very excited because this is like one of my biggest orders so far. I got some lipsticks. These are super cute on Bangle and stuff. Look, I don't got no more room on the table. The table is slumped. Look at this, and I still got more stuff. So on the site, I'm gonna have everything ready to order, and it's gonna come in a pack of 10. I'm not gonna do individual pieces. They're gonna start off in a pack of 10. I'm not doing one piece, you know, that's too much. So they're gonna be ready to order in a pack of 10. So you will receive it in a pack like this, already ready. See how it's mixed. Okay, that's everything, you guys. I'm super excited about this. Today is June 2nd. I'm gonna post all of this on June 3rd on the site. So if you see this video in time, I hope it'll be some left for you to check it out and get some for yourself or for your business. So yeah, this is all of it. If you have any questions, please do not forget to comment and let me know. And also do not forget to subscribe and meet with me every Friday here on the channel. Yeah, come join the wholesale team. If you have a jewelry business, you will not be disappointed. But yeah, this is $1,600 to $2,000 worth of inventory. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how it, how everything comes to me. So what I'm gonna do now, I usually have my husband Kev help me prepare everything for the wholesale team, because I don't send them out like this. I gotta basically break everything down and put them in the bags that they belong, etc. And then from there I post them on the site. So everything is pretty much like a process that we go through to get everything ready for you guys. So let me know if you guys like this video, and if you guys would like me to show you guys all the stuff that's coming in every time I get it. I usually get new inventory every 2 weeks. Let me know. But until next time, make sure you come and meet with me again on the channel. Bye.